basically, yung mga benefits, aside from, of course, that's your legal protection. Siyempre, you are complying with your legal obligation. So, in return, you have legal protection from the government that you are working and rendering your service legally. Nandun yung credibility din ng mga clients with you that you are a legit freelancer. Kasi sabi ko nga, yung expansion and growth, eventually, if you wanted to venture more clients, services, na these clients or big clients, big companies, they are requiring you for proof of your service. So, ang hinahanap niyan madalas is your certificate of registration from the BIR. Kung meron kang official receipt, once they pay you, you can provide them with your official receipt. So, part din siya ng long-term success mo. Kasi if you get these clients na mga malalaki and you have what they need as a documentation, so magiging mo na sila, long-term client mo na sila. And then also, you have the access to banks. Of course, hindi ka naman papautangin ni bank kung wala kang ibibigay sa kanila din na solid proof na you are earning. And at the same time, saan yung purpose or gagamitin yung inutang mo sa kanila for funding. So, kailangan din nila minsan ng certificate of registration. And if you have bank, business bank, mas madali kang i-approve to get those funds. Kasi meron din ino-offer ang banks, and not only banks but also the government, funding or allocation for small, medium enterprises, like the SMEs. So maraming mga opportunities na pwede mong makuha from the banks, the government, when you apply for it. So if you wanted to have more funding for your business, for you as a freelancer, so kailangan mo siya. Yun yung mga benefits na being a legit freelancer.